Hello guys, welcome to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you how to make beetroot soap for skin whitening. As you all know guys, beetroots are high in vitamin C. Come consider beets to be get for a skin even, suggesting that can be protect your skin sign of aging such as wrinkles, and you will get lot of benefits from this beetroot. So first of all I am going to peel this beetroot. Beetroot is having natural blush. It will detox your skin, it cleanse, cool it light, it is work for hairs also, it is works as a natural hair dye also. So beetroot is having lot of benefits. We are making dip guard also with this. If you are doing DIYs at home, sure you have tried beetroot for your hairs and for lips, for your face packs also. So I have seen and I have made this also a hair mask and many things. So here today I am going to make it for soap, whitening soap. So now I am going to grind it well by cutting small pieces. See guys, I have grind it. Now I am going to take only juice from it. So now I am going to strain it. We want only juice from it. See guys, I have taken juice from beetroot. Here I have taken 2 beetroots juice. So now my next ingredient is, today I am going to use all the natural and fresh ingredients. So my second ingredient is aloe vera, which I have kept in the refrigerator. So now I am going to take this much of aloe vera. If you are not having fresh aloe vera gel, you can take it aloe vera gel which is available in the market also. So as you all know guys, aloe vera is having antioxidant, enzymes, vitamin A and C, which is highly anti-inflammatory properties. It can help to treat burns, acne and as well as for dry skins. It will change that it comes to acne. If you are having, I will give you one more tip guys. If you are having acne issue, daily if you are rubbing aloe vera on your face, you can see the miracle. All your pimples will fade away. And then the aloe vera will works best for acne and it will give you cystic or deeper acne. It will remove all the acne guys. It will give you best result. It is good for hairs and face also. So I am going to take it aloe vera. See guys, my fresh aloe vera gel is ready. Now I am going to add in it. My third ingredient is rice flour. As you all know guys, as I have told you in my previous videos also, rice mostly used by Japanese for their skin. Rice is having lot of benefit for beauty, including skin brightening and detan, as well as it will get rid of acne and pigmentation spots. Then you can bring rice. It's having vitamin B also, which will help to produce new cells also. Here I am going to take 2 spoons full of rice flour. So now my next ingredient is glycerin. Glycerin will work as a moisturizer to your moisturizing for your skin. Basically it is an humectant which will substance to allow your skin to retain moisture. It can increase skin hydration, it relieves dryness and keeps your skin surface fresh and emollient, which means it can keep your skin soft and supple. So here I am going to take, already here I am taking pure soap, in that already is there glycerin. So to make it best, here I am taking 1 spoonful of glycerin, and then last but not least I am going to take it Rogan Badamshi, which is almond oil, which is good for your skin. It is having vitamin E, which will improve your complexion and gives you even tone. It will treat for dry skin, it improves acne, it helps to reverse your sun damage, it reduces the appearance of scars, it reduces the puffiness under your eyes. So here I am taking 1 spoonful of almond oil. For making soap, here I have taken Pears pomegranate soap, or else you can buy it any of the soap which is available in the market. Soap base is also available in the market, you can use that also. So I am going to take it 2 soap here. You can grate your soap or else you can cut soap also, because it is glycerin based soap, so it will cut easily. I am going to cut into a small pieces which is easily to cut. You can grate also. See guys how easily it's cutting. Already I have shown you how to melt the soap by using double boiler system. You can do it by microwave also. Soap has melted well. Now I am going to add in it this mixture which I have made before. Now I am going to add this thing. And mix well. See guys how beautiful color it was. Wow. See guys, this mixture was mixed well in the soap. Now I will put in the soap mold. If you are not having soap mold, you can use any of the disposables. See guys, I have transferred in the mold. Let it be set. After 2 hours I will show you how my soap looks. See guys, my homemade beetroot soaps are ready for whitening. I hope you all like my video. Kindly subscribe my channel, like and share. Kindly share among your friends and family members. Thank you. Bye bye.